Hi. Welcome back to my channel. Shout out to the following: TV to Peden, Contajo TV, El Prisco,
like a bird on a tree.
Bea TV channel. Please visit our playlists: CorelDRAW with t-shirt printing, YouTube tips, Photoshop with t-shirt printing, travel vlog, skincare, sorry, military news update, makeup tutorials, film or video editing tutorials, cooking and salads, basic accounting tutorials. Add table adhesive to hold our t-shirt in place. I use hair blower or dryer to dry the adhesive faster. Apply photo hardener to our design to make more durable, and not easily get damaged, especially when we print it on mini t-shirts. Apply it front and back of our design. Then use wet wipes to remove the excess photo hardener. Then tape the 4 inside corners, including the registration marks and holes if there is any. Let us mix our plastisol ink well. Always remember to apply heat press to make our design firm and glossy. That is all for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.